you're ready. You're ready for that big promotion, that speaking gig, that class filled with excited, engaged students. You're ready to close the sale and charm the dinner party. You're ready. I know you are. And you know it too. So, now that we're in agreement, how are you going to make those incredible things happen? By connecting, by learning how to share your story, by learning how to tap into your spirit and tenacity, and by learning how to communicate with clarity. You see, when you do those amazing things, doors open and destinies change. Now, I know because I have helped hundreds of clients, and I've used these techniques myself as a professional actress on hit TV shows like CSI and Bones and Lie to Me, and by working with incredible companies like Trader Joe's and Sony. Now, I am so passionate about this work that I have created this online course with all of my best techniques. 45 short, actionable videos that you can watch on any device as many times as you want. Digital worksheets and lifetime access. It's ridiculously easy. So if you are ready to tap into your best self, then click below to get started. You were born brilliant. Let me teach you how to shine.